India and EU are very strong trading partners, and the two big economies together can make a huge impact in each other's in a win-win scenario. Now, the trade between the two countries, the two economies, is more than $135 billion, and it is increasing year on year. And it has a huge potential with so many countries in European Union, and in India we have so many export states. So the trade is also fairly balanced in India's favor, but it's a good balance between the two economies, and it should grow what is being looked forward by the leading decision makers of the two economies. Recent meetings of our minister with the counterpart suggested that yes, the trade dialogues are moving forward and most of the issues have been resolved. And we are expecting another round of discussion in the coming weeks in India between the two economies, the two economic leaders. And it is expected that all the critical issues between the two economies will be resolved. And the idea is to get a trade deal signed by December 2025. Now, this will be something very important for India, a milestone where, on the one hand, we have a trade deal with UK and we are ready to implement and take benefits of that. On the other hand, the United States, we are still struggling to find a balance between the two countries. And yes, that is also moving in the positive direction, but timelines are still to be seen when that will get closed. That's another important partner, India's trading partner, leading trading partner. At this point of time, closing something with EU will be a big boost for Indian economy, which is very much required at this point of time. Because now we are seeing these deals are very important because the traditional norms of WTO and most favored nation and all of those are being superimposed, and now we have trade deals with all the important countries, and that way more and more economic potential is leveraged between the two countries. So good negotiations with giving good time in these negotiations are very important to safeguard the interest of each parties, so that our consumers are not penalized heavily, and neither the employment is disturbed, and our domestic manufacturers and service providers are also benefited. So from a holistic perspective, these negotiations have to be completed, and a good deal is something being looked forward to by December 2025 between India and EU, and that will be a huge boost for the Indian economy. Thank you.